Na-stop siya, na-stop siya.
Na-stop ako.
Baka kayo.
Team walang bawi, wala pa ring bawi.
Clear guns.
Stay.
Okay, back muna kayo sa open area. Huwag nyo lang yan. Okay, wala. Daddy MG, you got cooldown. Several local.
Yes, in 3, 2,
3, 2, 1. Daddy MG, where are you?
Silence.
here. Nice.
Okay, keep walking in.
I have night helm. Push in.
Yo, careful with their trap. Back muna kayo. One.
Baka.
Back muna kayo. They're gonna clap.
Go back. 10 seconds.
You're in the choke. Okay, everyone walking.
Wag mo na.
Walking muna. Mamaya na kayo mag-engage. Yo, here's on the front. Walking. Keep walking in, please. Keep walking.
Owen dead.
Night helmet. Wala tayong night helmet. Okay, keep walking. He's on the front, ah. I'm gonna set up for you at the ABG. Where are you?
Okay.
I'm gonna start. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke.
Na silence ako. Okay, here.
Okay, everyone. Careful on the blazing. But keep walking. Sige, brawling them. Okay, everyone walking na.
Yung healer walang mana.
Spread. Okay, wala silang immediate. Everyone look west side. Okay, never mind. Look north. Daddy ABG. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Nakagal na naman. Everyone keep walking in north. Keep walking in north.
I have.
Low, can.
We have.
Everyone.
Low. Sa choke.
Here. So, on the choke.
They're dead.
Engage, keep walking in.
Walking.
Hold your engages, keep walking in.
I have Pierce, I have Execute.
Keep walking in, hold your engages. Hold down. Daddy ABG, you're cool down.
I have 10.
Okay. Executing lang
15
one.
seconds DPS. 15 seconds.
Sige, keep walking in.
Walking lang.
Donation, my boys.
Okay.
9 seconds, 8 seconds.
So you walk. Okay, Daddy ABG.
I have.
Engage yung dalawa. Sa carving. Sa carving ka mag-engage.
Pierce.
Healer, patayin nyo ng healer.
Sige. Actually, huwag na. Sige na, full clear niya.
Mount up, loot up.
Here it is. Nice one.
Loot up.
Shit.
Donation.
May loot vlogger,